Panzerwerfer 42, German armored self-propelled Nebelwerfer missile launcher from the Second World War. In German literature, it is also referred to as Panzerwerfer 42, and colloquially, it is sometimes incorrectly called Maultier from the chassis used. The main reason for starting work on the self-propelled Nebelwerfer was the very easy targeting of the Nebelwerfer 41 and 42 launchers, floating clouds of white smoke, and thus the threat of their destruction. In addition, increasing the mobility of this type of weapon was very useful for armored units. Nebelwerfer 41 and 42 were towed behind trucks, which forced the soldiers to prepare longer before each use. Work began at Opel less than a year after the introduction of the Model 41 launcher. It uses the chassis of the Opel Maultier half-track truck, very popular in the Wehrmacht, which performed very well at the front in Russia. The truck's body, however, changed shape and became fully armored. Armored thickness 6 to 10 mm. The vehicle thus constructed was named the 15 cm Panzerwerfer 42 Selbstfahrlafette Sd.Kfz.4. Its hull had a small open compartment for artillerymen and enough space for a 150 mm rocket supply for a 10-guide launcher. The number of guides was increasing from 6 in the towed version to 10, as you did not have to worry about keeping the trailer balanced. A 280 mm caliber launcher was rarely used, and the installation of an 82 mm 24-rail launcher was rarely used. The guides were installed in two horizontal parallel rows of 5. The rockets were fired with an electric impulse. They took off one after another. The launcher itself could rotate 270 degrees and raise 80 degrees. The maximum range of the rocket was 7,055 meters. To ensure defense against infantry and aviation, an MG-34 or MG-42 machine gun was mounted on the roof of the cabin. Also very similar to the Panzerwerfer 42 ammunition carriers designated Sd.Kfz.4 were produced. The construction was almost identical, with the difference that the body was devoid of a launcher. They served at the Panzerwerfer troops, but not only, providing additional missiles. 289 were produced, of which quite a lot was reworked by installing the launchers. Often the ammunition supply 26 additional rockets was provided by the Schwerer Wehrmachtsschlepper heavy transporter. At the end of the war, a version of the Panzerwerfer launcher on the SWS chassis was also developed. The Panzerwerfer 42 went into production in April 1942 and was in production until March 1943. About 300 were produced. Pan reservoirs, which were very mobile, operated mostly together with armored units, providing them with direct artillery support. After firing a PZW-42 rocket salvo, they quickly changed position, which usually allowed them to protect themselves from enemy artillery fire. They were used in Nebelwerfer units, Nebelwerfer Brigade, until the end of the war, mainly on the Eastern Front.